Hello, welcome online classes. Dear student, myself Mr. Bhausaheb Dabhade, your geography teacher. Today we discuss about new chapter minerals. First, we discuss the introduction part of minerals. What is meaning by minerals? Minerals means a substance which is found in the earth crust and which generally has a defined chemical composition. मिनरल्स एक नेचुरल रिसोर्सेस है जो हमारे अर्थ के अंडरग्राउंड में अवेलेबल है और हमारी डेवलपमेंट के लिए ये मिनरल का हम पूरे के पूरे ह्यूमन बीइंग यूज़ करते हैं. We use different things in our daily life made from metals, iron, ore. Can you list a number of items used in your house made of metals? Where do these metals come from? हम लोग देखते हैं हमारे घर में बहुत सारी चीज़ें हम यूज़ करते हैं मेटल के, आयन के. वो कहाँ से आते हैं? वो अर्थ में अवेलेबल है अंडरग्राउंड. वी नो दैट द अर्थ क्रस्ट is made up of different minerals embedded in the rocks. The various metals are extracted from these minerals after proper refinement. Minerals are the indissoluble part of our lives. There are different types of minerals. The non-metallic minerals, metallic minerals, and the extractions of minerals. All are made from minerals. The railway lines and the tarmac of the roads, our implement and machinery are made from minerals. Cars, buses, trains, the aeroplanes are manufactured from minerals and run on power resources derived from minerals. Even the food that we eat contain minerals. In all stages of development, human beings have used minerals for their livelihood. The decoration, festivals, religious and ceremonial rites we use in the different parts in our daily life. हम लोग हमारे डेली लाइफ में अलग अलग जगह पे मिनरल्स का यूज़ करते हैं. मैन्युफैक्चर कंपनी में रेलवे, एरोप्लेन, बसेस, ऑल द पार्ट्स आर यूज इन द नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज, आयरन ओर, मेटल्स, मिनरल्स. अंडरस्टूड? What is a minerals? Geologists define minerals as the homogeneous, naturally occurring substance with a definable the internal structure. Some geological scientists, कुछ शास्त्रज्ञ साइंटिस्ट ऐसे बताते हैं कि होमोजेनियस नेचुरली ऑकरिंग सब्सिस्टेंस विद अ डिफिनेबल द इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर. हमारे अर्थ के अंडरग्राउंड में ऐसा कुछ इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर है कि जिनको हम मिनरल बोलते हैं, उनके हम डेफिनेशन नहीं बता सकते. मिनरल्स आर फाउंड इन the varied forms in the nature, ranging from the hardest diamond to the softest talc. Why are they are the varied? You have already learned about rocks. Rocks are combinations of homogeneous substances called minerals. Some rocks, for instance limestone, consist of a single minerals only, but the majority of the rocks consist of several minerals in varying proportion. रॉक, पत्थर, हर एक रॉक में मिनरल्स अवेलेबल है लेकिन वो हमें दिखाई नहीं देता. अंडरस्टूड? अंडरग्राउंड में, अर्थ के अंडरग्राउंड एरिया में, रॉक में मिनरल्स अवेलेबल है. द एक्सट्रैक्शंस ऑफ मिनरल्स. मिनरल्स can be extracted by the mining, drilling, or the quarrying. Mining is the extractions of valuable minerals or other geological materials from the earth, usually from the ore body. Materials recovered by the mining include base metals, the precious metals, iron, uranium, coal, diamonds, limestone, oil, rock, salt, and potash. These are the part of minerals, and these minerals is very valuable in our earth surface. So the extractions of minerals, वो मिनरल्स हमारे अंडरग्राउंड में अवेलेबल है, हम ये मिनरल का ऐसा यूज़ कर सकते हैं. फर्स्ट पार्ट, ओपन कास्ट माइनिंग. It is a method of the extracting rock or minerals from the earth by their removal from an open pit or the burrow. Open pit mines are used when the deposit of commercially useful minerals or rock are found at shallow depth. That is where the overburdened surface material covering the valuable deposit. ओपन कास्ट माइनिंग, जो अंडरग्राउंड में अवेलेबल है उनको हम ओपन करके निकालते हैं. दिस इज अ वेरी वैल्यूएबल नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज. इज रिलेटिवली thin or the material of the interest is structurally unsuitable for the finishing, as would be the case for sand, cinder, and gravel. Second number, shaft mining or shaft sinking. It refers to the method of excavating or the vertical or near vertical tunnel from the top down, where there is the initially no access to the bottom. Open cast mining and shaft mining, this is a two important different method for the use of these natural resources. Third number, drilling. Drilling is a process under which deep wells or the bore to take the minerals out. Petroleum and natural gas occur for the below the earth surface, so the deep wells are breathed to take them out. अंडरग्राउंड में जो भी कुछ मिनरल है, इस मिनरल को हम अंडरग्राउंड से निकालने के लिए ड्रिलिंग का यूज़ करते हैं, मतलब ट्यूब वेल्स और वेल्स. फॉर एग्जांपल नेचुरल रिसोर्सेस, पेट्रोलियम प्रोडक्ट और नेचुरल गैस, यही हम अंडरग्राउंड से निकालते हैं. फोर्थ नंबर, क्वेरिंग. मिनरल्स दैट लाई नियर द सरफेस आर सिंपली ड्यूक आउट बाय द प्रोसेस नोन एज क्वेरिंग. हम अंडरग्राउंड में जो भी कुछ मिनरल अवेलेबल है उनको इस चार टाइप से अंडरग्राउंड से अर्थ पे निकालते हैं. मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट, टाइप्स ऑफ मिनरल्स. मिनरल्स आर ब्रॉडली divided into two main groups. Minerals are the natural resources. This is a natural thing, but divided in the two important groups. Number one, metallic minerals, and number two, non-metallic minerals. We discuss about metallic minerals. Metallic minerals are those from which we obtain metals. Iron, gold, copper, silver, aluminium, tin are some of the important examples of metallic minerals. Metallic minerals means which from we obtain metals. जो metals में available है, आयरन, गोल्ड, कॉपर, इनको बोला जाता है मेटालिक मिनरल्स. मेटालिक मिनरल्स में भी फेरस और नॉन फेरस. Ferrous minerals like iron are the manganese and the chromides, the contains iron. A non-ferrous minerals does not contain iron but may contain some other metal such as gold, silver, copper or lead. Understood? Number 2, non-metallic minerals. Non-metallic minerals are those which do not contain metals. Coal, mica, sulfur, potash, petroleum are some of important non-metallic minerals. Metallic and non-metallic mineral. These is very important. Ferrous or non-ferrous. Simple meaning. There are two types of metallic minerals, ferrous and non-ferrous. And non-metallic mineral means coal, mica, sulfur. These are potash, petroleum product. These are called the non-metallic minerals. Next point, energy resources. Minerals, energy resources. Man has been using different resources of energy at different stages of his growth in the today's world. Due to the industrialization and modernization, energy resources are considered and the backbone of any kinds of economic development. Due to the increase in population and development, demand for energy resources has increased considerably. There are basically two types of energy resources. कोई भी कंट्री को हमारी डेवलपमेंट करनी है इकोनॉमिकल, तो एनर्जी रिसोर्सेस चाहिए, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट है. पेट्रोलियम प्रोडक्ट, देन नेचुरल रिसोर्सेस, कोल, aluminium, bauxite, or all the energy resources is very important for the development. And energy resources is also called the backbone of industrialization development. डेवलपमेंट करनी है तो ये एनर्जी रिसोर्सेज चाहिए. देर आर टू इम्पॉर्टेंट टाइप्स ऑफ एनर्जी रिसोर्सेज, नॉन कॉन्वेक्शनल एनर्जी रिसोर्सेज एंड conventional energy resources. Understood? Conventional energy resources and non-conventional energy resources. Dear student, remaining part of this chapter we learn in next online lecture. Today we discuss about minerals. What is meaning by minerals? Minerals means a substance which is found in the earth crust and which generally has a defined chemical composition. Then extractions of minerals, open cast mining, shaft mining, drilling, quarrying. Then we discuss about types of minerals. There are two important types of minerals. Number one, metallic mineral, and number two, non-metallic minerals. And energy resources, non-conventional energy resources and conventional energy resources. So remaining part we will discuss in next online lecture. Take care. Thank you.